Hey guys, welcome back to Practically Creative. I'm Melissa. If you're new here, welcome. I'm doing a quick haul video tonight. Got some stuff from Amazon that I had ordered over the last couple of weeks. The first item I got is this Basics baby ruler, and this is the shape of it. Let's see if I can put it in front of something so you can see it. See how that's made? That makes this block, which is probably about 3 inches square. And you can also make 9 patches and cut out of it. And this has a unique little template pattern. This is what it'll look like if you use a 9 patch. And whoops. And this is what it looks like if you use straight strips to cut it. You can turn those any way you want to turn them into something. I had made my own of both of this ruler and the bigger one, and decided that yes, I like it, and yes, I want to use it. So I went ahead and ordered the actual rulers, but believe me, I'm always happy to find a way to make a ruler so I can try it out before I decide to buy it. This is a little box that came with some of the stuff I got today. I have plans for this. If you've seen my friend Colleen, you know that she's got a little box she keeps behind her machine to hold threads. And I really like that idea. I'm planning to cover that box with something. I don't know if it's going to be fabric or construction paper or what, but I'm going to cover that box and use it. I got a couple of new shirts. A couple of people had commented that they've seen the same color shirt every day. I have a lot of black and a lot of dark colors. Excuse me. So I thought I would buy myself a few shirts that were some different colors, so y'all aren't quite so bored when you see me on screen. So I've got a dark purple, a pink, a teal blue, and these are all on sale either on Amazon or on Walmart for really inexpensive. I like that because then I don't feel bad if I mess up the shirt when I'm trying to put embellishments on it. Or these are all long sleeve and I prefer 3/4 sleeves. So I'm going to cut those down and take care of it. This one you guys are all going to be happy to see. This is an arm that holds a cell phone or a camera. I want to be able to mount it so whenever I do videos showing you how to make blocks, I can show you straight down onto my cutting table. So I'm excited about that. This is something I didn't think I needed, but after my last embroidery where I embroidered Practically Creative on a t-shirt, I thought these would be handy to have. These were, I think, $4, and they guide you for where to put iron-on stickers on shirts and where to put embroidery. So I'm going to put those in by my embroidery machine and use that. I ordered a piece for my brother's scan and cut that holds ink pens. Lisa Capon had talked about this a while back, and it'll hold any kind of pens, but it's specifically made for the scan and cut. I tried using the same hack that I used on my Cricut, but the scan and cut, everything is UPC coded or bar coded, so it only reads the brother's scan and cut stuff. I haven't opened this box yet, so just to make sure that everything was in here. So this, gotta be smarter than the box to open it, I have a feeling. Yep. This is a mount that holds your arm on bigger pieces. The piece that goes around this table is a 1x1 and a 2x4. And the clamp ones don't work for me, the clamp arms, because they only go up to like 1.5 inches or something. So I ordered that clamp so that we could do that. I got a roll of vinyl. It's 12 inches wide by 53 inches long. I know this because I read the description. And I'm trying to see if I can, excuse me, figure out how to open it up without having to rip it all apart. This should be brown, and it is a faux leather is what they call it. It's vinyl, that's what it is. It's made to sew with, and the color is a really rich looking brown, almost a reddish brown. I need to make myself a new purse and a new wallet, and of course I'll do that on camera. So I'm planning to use this to make both. I've got another color coming, a purple. Let me make the purple one before the brown one. But with it coming up on fall, I thought a brown purse would be nice. And I'm just putting it back inside its packaging so that it doesn't get dusty or dirty or anything. And this is the first time ever that I would say that Amazon packs stuff really well. I use these as an alternative to seam rippers. These are eyebrow razors, but they're great as seam rippers. You put them in your seam, you use them as seam saws. Kai makes them, charges $10 each for them. And those were, I think, $5.99 or $3.99 for a bunch of them. Excuse me. These are glass, which is why I'm being careful. My stepdaughter had these sitting on a shelf, and I love the bottles. They even smell good. And yes, I will buy something because I like the bottle, but it's hot chocolate, and it's Silly Cow brand. This one is chocolate peppermint twist. See how cool that bottle is? I just love the shape. And once we use up the product that's in it, it has a, I think it's a metal lid on top of it. But those jars will be great for holding things that we use a whole lot of. Trying not to make super amounts of noise while I do this. The jars will hold spices that we grow and dehydrate. This one is chocolate truffle. And even if we don't use it as, straight hot chocolate, I think this smells really good, and it would be really good in coffee. I know y'all are all going, really? But how many of you put hot chocolate mix in your coffee? I think this is a fantastic idea. And like I said, I love the bottle. I think hers may have been smaller than this one, but it's okay. I will reuse these bottles for sure. I'm glad I filmed this later in the day because I don't think that daylight would show the curves in the side of these bottles. And this flavor is marshmallow swirl. And yeah, it's hot chocolate mix, but I put creamer in my coffee. And I think this would be just fine in my coffee. So that's my items that I got from Amazon today. And my local stores don't carry that Silly Cow brand. I think her mother-in-law had ordered it from Amazon. So that's where I went looking for it. But that's my haul for today. You guys are going to get to see whatever I do to the shirts. I'll do it on camera. They are plus size shirts. Obviously, I'm a plus size girl, but I'm not overly thrilled with the pockets or the sleeves on these. So I may be expanding the sides of the shirts just so I can get wider sleeves. And I can put a gusset in, or I can put a piece all the way down the side. I haven't decided which way I'm going to go on that. I do know the sleeves are going to get cut off. So when I cut the sleeves down to where I want them, I will probably apply a cuff made out of the same fabric that I use if I put a gusset in there. And they are all V-neck, I think. Double check myself on that. Yeah, they're all V-neck, which is the one thing I really wanted out of them was V-neck and long sleeves. So there's my haul for today. We've got a couple other things that are coming from Amazon. We've got to go pick those packages up tomorrow, though. Our mail person wasn't able to get them all in our box. She's great, but this didn't work for her. So we're going to go pick up packages tomorrow. So you may get another haul video tomorrow. All right. I look forward to seeing you again soon. You guys have a great weekend, and I will be back as soon as possible. Bye, guys.